Hello guys, today I'll show you how to awaken fruits in blox fruits. To awaken your fruit in blox fruits, you must complete the raid corresponding to your fruit type. For example, if you have a light fruit, you must complete the light raid. Once you complete the raid, you will be taken to a room where you can talk to mysterious entity. The mysterious entity will offer to awaken your fruit for your exchange in for fragments, a currency you can obtain from completing raids. So, to start a raid, in the second sea, go to the cold side of the hot and cold island and enter a color code, red, blue, green, or blue, to access the lobby. In the third sea, find the mysterious scientist in the main castle. You need a special microchip purchasable for 100,000 belly or by trading a physical fruit. Some of the fruits that can be awakened are the Buddha fruit, dark fruit, dough fruit, flame fruit, ice fruit, and light fruit. You can find a video in our channel for each fruit on how to awaken it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.